Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today's topic is completing the square, which is a high level topic and therefore covers grade 8 and grade 9 content. So my first example is express x squared plus 6x plus 10 in the form x plus a squared plus b. So the first thing to do is write this equation in its initial bracket. So what you simply do is start off with the form. So x plus a is going to be 3. This is because whenever you're asked to complete the square, you always halve the second number, also known as the coefficient of x. As 6 is the coefficient of x, or as I like to call it, the second number, you divide it by 2. So the equation will be x plus 3 squared plus b. Now what you do is you expand this and add b to see how you can get this equation. So what you simply do is x plus 3 plus b. Okay, so it's x times x, which is x squared, and x times 3, which is plus 3x, 3 times x, which is plus 3x, plus 9, which is 3 times 3, and plus b, which equals to x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus b. Okay, as you can see, we have got a similar equation as the first two numbers are the same. So for instance, we've got the x squared and we've still got the same coefficient of x, which is x squared plus 6x. So we need to make this equivalent to that. So what we do is perhaps rewrite the equation, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9, and b has to be the number which adds up to 10. So as you know, 10 minus 9 is 1, so b is positive 1. So, and to confirm that, you can just add it all up again, which equals x squared plus 6x plus 10. So it says express x squared plus 6x plus 10 in the form x plus a squared plus b. So we go back to this step over here and we do x plus 3 squared plus 1. Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick preview of what I've done. So first of all, what I've done is I've put this into a bracket, in its initial bracket. So that becomes x plus 3 squared plus b. X plus 3 squared can also be written as x plus 3, and therefore add the b. So you then expand the bracket, which gives you x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus b. From this step onwards, we need to see how this can link to that. As the first two values are the same, you see how you can make this equation into that equation. So to get x squared plus 6x plus 9 into x squared plus 6x plus 10, you have to add 1, and therefore b is 1. So then you relate this back to the equation, the expression, and you get x plus 3 squared plus 1. Okay, so that was a bit of perhaps grade 8 content, and now something that will be of higher content would be something like this. For example, express 2x squared plus 6x plus 8 in the form a in brackets x plus b squared plus c. So the first thing we do with this question is look for a number which is the highest common factor, which goes into each of these three numbers. As we can see, 2 is the lowest number here, and therefore that's the only one that can go into this. So it will be 2 in brackets x squared plus 3x plus 8. So now what we do is we would go on to expand this bracket. So it would be 2 in brackets x plus 1.5 squared plus the c. Okay. A common misconception may be that a person may go on to just use this bracket opposed to dividing it by 2 again, because as you can see it's in its x squared form. Okay, so now what we just do is expand the bracket, leave the 2 in there, so it's going to be 2 in brackets x plus 1.5, x plus 1.5 plus c. Okay, so it's going to be 2 in brackets x times x, which is x squared, plus 1.5 times x, which is plus 1.5x, plus 1.5 times x, which is plus 1.5x, plus 2.25, which is 1.5 times 1.5. 25, and it's going to be plus c. Alright, so now what we can do is go back into the equation and do 2 in brackets x squared plus 3x plus 2.25 plus c. Okay, so now what we do is we expand out this bracket to give us 2x squared plus 6x plus 4.5, which is 2 times 2.25 plus c. Okay, as I said before the previous question, we need to see how we can get this expression into this expression over here in that form. So what we do is we do 2x squared plus 6x plus 4.5, which is plus c. Then what we do is 8 minus 4.5, which equals 3.5. So this is because 2x squared plus 6x plus 4.5 plus 3.5 is the same as this expression over here. Now it says to write it in the form a in brackets 2x plus b squared plus c. So what we do is it's 2 in brackets x plus 1.5 squared plus 3.5. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and leave a comment. As we are getting very close to the GCSEs, which for most of us is under 7 months, please send me any questions you are struggling with and I will be more than happy to go through any questions in my future videos. Thank you guys. Take care.